Hey woodpickers, you need some ideas today on how to make a Tealight holder DIY style? I'm your Huckleberry. And the wood here is construction grade pine, it's birch, and the last one is European yew. We will use the birch for this project. It's a bit dirty, so I use a brush to take it off. Now a drill press would be the right tool to use in this situation, but I don't have it, so we need to improvise. So I'll start by showing you a couple of not so good ways to do this. This created a lot of dust, and I had to carve the bottom out in the end with my hand tools. It takes too much time, and it leaves a hole in the bottom. This Forstner drill bit here is the correct one that I would have used, but this one is too small. It's 35 and I need at least 37 millimeter to do the job correctly. And I should have had the drill press along with it. And introducing my router. It will do the job perfectly, but I'm not gonna get a complete round shape, but I believe it's gonna be okay. Yeah, so I thought I made some really nice Tealight candle holders, and then I proudly presented them to my wife, and she was like, yeah, I don't like this, I don't like this. Well, so now we need to save these Tealight candle holders. I need to make some cuts so you'll see the wood instead of the bark of the tree. I think we still can save it. Let's do it. Now that you're ready for a nice tea light dinner with your friends and loved ones, buy a bottle of wine, something great to eat, and impress your guests with your creation and knowledge of how to turn a branch into Tealight holders. Well, thanks for watching and see you soon.